Greetings, precious souls, on the sacred pathway of remembering the truth of who we really are. February 2026 is a time of illuminating the light we each carry within. When we make time and space to connect with this radiant divine spark, we feel a fullness within that our soul recognizes as the Logos, the Christ Sophia codes inside us that smile inside us as if to say, "You are perfect, you are whole, and you are everything you are divinely designed to be." This is a feeling of at-one-ment deep within, where we are safe, whole, known, seen, and loved for simply being who we are. The 3D Matrix's version of us, the character in that old story that we have been shedding for some time now, would have us believe the 24/7 noise about us, the world, and everything around us that at times feels chaotic, surreal, and even impossible. But when we choose to consciously breathe, when we really tune in within and feel our sacred heartbeat, the gift of divine breathing, and the power of connecting with our innate gnosis that has always been within us, the noise within and around us relaxes and dissipates, and the light becomes all there is. It is a peace and a presence that we can't find anywhere else but inside us. February 2026 is illuminating the peace of the Christ Sophia presence inside us that no one and no thing can take from us. It is something we simply are. We can't be anything else but the light we are. And yet, the 3D noise and accelerated pace of life going on around us might try to tell us otherwise. And when it does, we take a deep, divine, conscious breath in, and we allow ourselves to remember the truth beyond the smog of 3D illusions and distractions. And we bathe in that light of remembrance as the peace of our divine presence resets and restores itself within us, as us, once more. It is here that we find fulfillment in the easy, simple ways our prana-filled presence nurtures who we are and embraces the gifts we are and always have been that seek to know greater expression and emergence now in the new earth light inside us. That new earth light that courageous souls like us are reclaiming is the living garden. We are the living garden, and I sense in 2026 that more people will begin to allow the feeling, the frequency of the truth of the living garden within themselves and within their lives in more evident ways and in more visible ways than ever before. A new world based on integrity, kindness, creativity, and the gift of simply being and breathing our divinity is birthing. A new economy based in the light of true and transparent frequency is rising. That call that is summoning us from within, the living garden that Eve and Sophia are seeding in our conscious awareness, is vibrationally reminding us that we already know the immense liberation and gifts of the presence of the omnipresence in us, in our living light, in our breathing, and in our garden-esque precious spirit soul. We are it. We are the living garden. It's us. And as that living garden in action, as that living life force and light source in action, just by knowing and embodying these frequencies, we disrupt the 3D matrix's illusions and noise that say otherwise. To be clear, we don't need to resist the old 3D matrix's economy that tells us in a sundry of false narratives and outlandish lies about who we are. We simply need to place at least 51% of our attention in the direction of our inner knowing that makes the living garden within us more meaningful, more resonant, and more wholeheartedly relevant in all we do, say, feel, think, and breathe each day. 51% and higher goes a long way in transcending the old 3D paradigm and crumbling matrix that once held our gaze and trapped our life force within its borders. We are divine frequency beings. We are beings, not doings, and the 3D matrix convinced many of us for a time that we needed to do to survive here. We needed to consent to its protocols and rules, and we needed to serve its agendas to survive here. But that way of doing is already becoming less relevant to all of us at soul level. Some feel this more clearly than others, but for those that can sense it, our natural flow and way of being is being restored by none other than a divine dream team and God, Source Creator itself. When we participate in the world each day from this place of inner knowing, and we close our eyes and ears to the 3D matrix that loves to get our egos in a tizzy about how we aren't enough, we aren't doing enough, we don't make enough, we aren't fill in the blank enough. In these incredible ascension times we live in now today, our soul says to the matrix's constant barrage and beratings, enough. The truth is, I am enough. My frequency is more than enough to live a prosperous, soul-nourishing, meaningful, source-connected, and Christ-Sophia integrated happy life. I am here on the planet to be my essence. That is my purpose. That is my gift to the world. That is who I am made to be and why I came. Anything less than this knowingness is the epitome of the pain of separation and chronic spiritual forgetfulness that has gripped our world and vacuumed it further into chronic states of disconnectedness, judgment, division, and discord. The divine creative hero and heroine within us all is ready to make the 3D matrix and all of its distorted systems, manipulations, narrations, and rules for human existence irrelevant. And the more the old 3D matrix becomes irrelevant, the more the new earth and the light we came to share and shine here in what is emerging rises. Our innate buoyancy and resilience shine through, and we can breathe and feel the peace of our presence that lives beyond the matrix's tethers. We are the new earth. We are the living garden. We are the new economy. This is all based in sacred frequency. It's all based in the knowingness of our light. Light is a current of energy, and we are a living currency. We are a living life force that knows how to create more joy, balance, inspiration, and ease in the world. We don't need to work harder to make ascension happen. We simply need to remember that we are already risen. We are already the light of the world. We are already exactly what this world needs. We are already exactly what we need. We are it, and it is time for many of us to know this in deeper and deeper ways now. God is our source. We emanate from the source. When we live from this interconnectedness with Source, when we breathe from this union with Source and Sophia, Eve and Adam, Mother Mary and Mary Magdalene, and our beloved Mother Earth, we breathe the living garden into our lives, knowing we have always been here. This is all there ever is and was. We simply entered a lower frequencied story filled with all kinds of false mirrors and narratives until such time as now, when we would remember it all. We would breathe and know our way home. That's it. It is through conscious breathing, conscious remembering, and conscious knowing that we vibrationally return to the living garden. February 2026 will give us more opportunities to breathe and know ourselves as home in the garden, right here and now. We are the living garden. We have always been its sacred seed, carrying the blueprints of forever within us. Until one day, this day, we would expand our consciousness and sacred awareness long enough to remember that we were always home, always, inside our breath, inside our knowingness, inside the eternal truth of who we are. This month and this year, filled with the boldness, strength, and momentum of the fire horse, let's allow our inner lanterns, compasses, and maps to be lit from the inside out. What is supremely relevant here is the pureness that flows through our Gnostic knowings. Our frequency is the most relevant navigational system, no matter what is happening otherwise within or around us. Let's embrace these opportunities to grow in frequency awareness and frequency discernment. Let's invest in breathing ourselves awake beyond the haze and din of the games of 3D illusions. And as best we can, let's invest in the dreams and visions that our higher light and soul gnosis holds for each of us to manifest this grand return to the living garden, freeing us all from the incarceration that the illusion otherwise offers to every soul incarnated here. February 2026 is saying freedom is only a conscious soul breath away from where you last gave your precious life force's attention in the last breath and where you desire it to be now in this new moment. Remember this as the noise of the 3D matrix calls and as your precious soul light orients you again and again to your soul's knowings that have roots deep in the earth from the moment your soul first became form and you knew yourself as one with Source, one with Gaia, and one with the greatest garden in all time and in all realms. When distractions and entanglements call, set your boundaries. Know who you are. Use your discernment. Shift your story to the new timeline of you as you wish and desire it to be. You are the storyteller now, not the matrix. So choose well and create wisely, and vibrationally invest your precious life force in the living garden, the one you know deep in your soul to be true. It is time to be you. The living garden in you is ready to shine through. Let your light create a refreshing, new, divine story of you and your place in the true creation story. As you rise and reclaim more living light throughout February's frequencies of illuminations, allow the power of the dream and the power of story to allow in more of the truth of your gifts, awareness, and star-lit charm than ever before. This is your time. This is our time.